for the opportunity that you give it to me. Now I will introduce myself. My name is Iqbal P. Anggai. I am from class 1 Informatic 3. And now I will introduce my presentation, and the presentation title is Hardware Computer. Chapter 1, Preliminary. A. Background. Computer hardware is all the physical part of a computer and is distinguished from software that provides instruction for hardware in completing its work. B. Problem formulation. The first one is, what is a computer hardware is often used? What is a component on computer? C. Purpose of writing. More understanding of what computer hardware, so people are more familiar with computer hardware. Study the company on the computer hardware. Chapter 2. Discussion. Hardware component function. 1. Input device. This unit serves as a medium for entering data from outside into a memory and processor to be processed to produce the information needed. Direct input cancellation, which is the entire directly processed by the processor. Example like keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, like pen, graphic table, and scanner. Indirect input equipment. Input draw contain media before an input is processed by the processing equipment. Like the example is punch cards, diskette, hard disk drive. 2. Process device. The processing unit or CPU, central processing unit, is the most important device or unit in a computer system. Its main task is to control the entire computer system during data processing. The CPU is a place for processing program instructions, which on a microcomputer are called microprocessor. This processor consists of thousands and millions of ICs. And power supply. Power supply converts electricity and provides a steady flow of electricity for computer use. And 2. RAM or random access memory. Memory or RAM is a computer hardware that functions as a temporary data storage. 3. Is the graphics card. A graphics card or video card is an expansion card that is made to make display on the screen. The last one is the motherboard. Motherboard is a circuit board where various electronic components are connected. On this motherboard hardware, such as hard disk, RAM, processor, graphics card, and other hardware. 3. The output device. Tool that display the result of data processing by the CPU. The component is monitor. The monitor is one type of soft copy device because the output is in the form of an electronic signal. In this case, an image that appears on the monitor screen. Printer. The printer is a hardware device that is connected to a computer that functions to produce prints in the form of text or image from the computer on paper or media. Chapter 3. Closing. Conclusions. Based on the description of the material contained in the discussion chapter, conclusion can be drawn. Computer hardware is one of the components of a computer whose device properties can be seen and touched directly or intangibly formed, which function to support the computation. Hardware has several components that are divided by function, including input device, process device, and output device, backing storage unit, and peripherals additional units. Okay, thank you for your time, and that is my presentation, and see you.